All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
The Indian Institute of Technology, IIT, Kanpur has achieved a breakthrough in defense technology with the development of an indigenous suicide drone designed specifically for the Indian Army. This advanced unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, dubbed a Swadeshi version of the kamikaze drone, is capable of identifying and eliminating enemy targets, including tanks, weapons, and personnel, within minutes. Developed over 2.5 years by IIT Kanpur's Aerospace Engineering Department, this cutting-edge drone boasts a carrying capacity of up to 2 kilograms and an operational range of at least 100 kilometers, extendable based on mission requirements. Professor Subramaniam Saderla, who led the development team, highlighted the drone's impressive speed capabilities, with operational speeds of 35 to 40 kilometers per hour and a potential maximum speed of 180 kilometers per hour. This makes it a significant addition to the Indian military's arsenal, offering a level of capability not previously available. The drone operates on a rechargeable system, providing an endurance of 3 to 4 hours per charge. Equipped with infrared sensors and GPS, it offers real-time, precise location data for enemy targets, enabling long-range identification and tracking. Despite its advanced features, the drone operates silently, enhancing its stealth capabilities. It can also capture high-quality photos and videos, making it a valuable asset for reconnaissance missions. IIT Kanpur anticipates significant interest in this technology, projecting a revenue goal of 1,500 crore rupees within the next 5 years. Professor Saderla emphasized the drone's suicide function, meaning it can strike targets autonomously while remaining under the complete control of the army, with the option for operators to destroy it remotely if necessary. This development comes at a time when Defense Minister Rajnath Singh is emphasizing India's goal of becoming a hub for drone technology. Singh recently visited IIT Kanpur and witnessed a demonstration of the drone, expressing his appreciation for its potential in national defense. This isn't the first drone innovation from IIT Kanpur. The institute previously unveiled Maral, a groundbreaking solar-powered drone designed for aerial surveillance. Maral's integrated solar panels allow for extended flight times and reduced reliance on traditional fuels, setting new standards in sustainable monitoring technology. Kamikaze drones, also known as loitering munitions, have become increasingly prevalent in modern warfare, notably in the Russia-Ukraine war and the Israel-Hamas conflict. With this indigenous development, India strengthens its defense capabilities and takes a significant step towards self-reliance in drone technology.